Best Medical Alert Systems. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Medical Guardian. It's the perfect app for older people who are living alone. They can install this tool on mobile and get medical alerts at any time. It's affordable and details the needs of every individual with a medical emergency. Mobile Help. Mobile Help has solved people's problems by providing effortless medical services. You'll open the app and you'll find unlimited options for you. The app is the first choice when dealing with emergencies and available at an affordable price. Medical Alert. You can install your medical history along with medication data. The app will alert you timely about your medicine and take help from your specialist. However, you can end the membership anytime if you don't need the app anymore. One Call Alert. The One Call Alert is famous for detailing your needs quickly. You can contact a specialist, and there's no indication of unusual circumstances when you have One Call Alert with you. Philips Lifeline. It's another amazing alert system to provide timely and quick help in case of an emergency. Its battery life is impressive, and you can use the product for multiple uses. You can get the alerts from your medications, and the app will provide complete protection if you're older. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.